so we just grabbed some gas. Let's go fishing, I guess. So what's up, everyone? I stopped here at this little bench. We're gonna be fishing just over there. You'll see in a little bit. Totally forgot that I lost everything last time I went fishing, so time to set that up quickly. My lovely Tupperware container of worms and mealworms, all worms. So hopefully it's a good day. Pretty chill. I'm not even focused. I just took that off. Good thing I have one more. Jeez. Oh, that's a waste. Anyways, I'm just gonna get set up here. I put the slip bobber on. One of my favorite ones. Black and orange. It's got a glow in the dark tip. So if you start fishing early morning or late at night, you can see your tip up. Or not your tip up. Your bobber go down. There you go. Hopefully you guys have had a good week. Had some good fishing. I wish it was colder here. The lake that I can get to closest and the easiest right now is, by my standards, not safe. I don't want to fall through. I kind of already did, so I don't want to risk it. So I've just been pulling out the old spinning reel rod and fishing away with this the last little bit. Nothing crazy has happened. I haven't had time to make a video too, so hopefully today's a good day. And yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm done. I'll show you what jig I'm putting on. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. So I just realized that these worms have been sitting in my truck, and it got to like -7, 8, and they were frozen, and the whole bag of dirt was frozen. And they're kind of moving. They're kind of alive still. Randomly oozing out yellow stuff all over their body. No idea what that was. So yeah, that's kind of weird. Never seen that. But they're still moving, so that's a good sign. And just before I put this on, I am using an 1/8 ounce tungsten jig. Pink. It glows. Try it out for now. A little bigger. Alrighty. Let's spend 20 minutes doing this. Okay. Well, we got the float on, we got the bobber stop, the bobber stop, and we got the jig. Nice juicy worm. Let's go over there and see if we can catch anything. That would be nice. I still have not caught a rainbow trout. Very sad about that. That is probably my most desired fish. And I've seen them. And I almost caught one, but still haven't, so hopefully today. You got some friends over here sleeping. Mrs. and Mr. Quackers. I'll see you guys in a bit. I don't know if it's a good sign or a bad sign, but there's like just 30 crows at the spot I'm about to go to. So I don't know if that's death telling me not to go, or it's a good place for fish because there's fish around. We'll find out. If I don't post this, you'll know. Alrighty, let's do a first cast. I don't even know how deep this is, so I'm assuming there's some decent footage. Also right just beside like a boat launch and boat dock, so I'm assuming there's gotta be some good depth in here, you know? It wouldn't be that shallow if there was a boat dock, so that's telling me good signs. Oh, and that's covered in ice. Okay, not that. Okay, they're all covered in ice. There you go. Oh, that was a lovely fill. Nice. Make sure you open the bail, buddy. Gotta love that orange on it. It just, to me, it stands out the most. I don't know why people like the red ones. The red ones don't. They're too hard to see, I find. I don't know. Yeah. A little bit over here. That didn't go as planned. Great. Well, now I have to wait for that to slowly come to me. That's sad. Fun. Of course I just turned off my GoPro and I just missed that. So there's no way in hell I'm getting my bobber. He's taken by the current and the wind. So I'm hoping one day I can catch him back over there. If I'm lucky. If not, that's another bobber gone, which I hate. Fun, but got this rooster tail on. I just gotta cut the excessive line from doing my knot. And probably maybe put a worm on. And yeah, go back to fishing. That sucks. I really liked that glow jig. Well, anyways. I guess I'll be back again, of course. This one's for the boys. Oh, I didn't even crack, no. I'm trying to make a fun video. Wow. Okay. How's that for a rock now? Oh, this thing doesn't want to crack. I'm moving anyways, it's freezing. Oh, my hands are cold. I also got to get a new GoPro mount. The last one I had... Oh, I'm trying to think about it. Oh, I had it on my chest and I dropped to the floor to retrieve a fish. And it was on my chest and my chest was on the dock. And I kind of snapped and broke the bracket, so... There was no chance in fixing it. I tried. Didn't work at all. So, I gotta get a new mount. That's why it might be a little low. I'm trying to like lean back a little bit to get a better view for you guys. That way it's not just like this. Hey, look at my feet. Look at the ground. Trying to get some scenery, see me fishing, you know. Oh. No. Nothing. I thought I felt something. I probably just nicked a rock. Oh, that's an icy wind chill. I hate fixing this and dealing with this. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was simple actually. So, Got a nice juicy Lucy on there. And let's give her another shot. Hopefully there's some bites. I'd really like to just, I don't even care what it is. As long as I just catch something and I can show you guys, I would be ecstatic. That's really all I want. I want to show you guys good footage. I don't want to show you just me fishing away and just talking. Oh, is that something? Is that something? Oh! Oh, no. And now I'm stuck on a rock. Oh, there we go. Did he take any of the worm? Oh, he got a little bit of him. Definitely hooked onto something there for a second. Or he was just biting the worm, I don't know. But I just love being outside. This is fun. Totally forget what I was talking about. I have ADD. Doesn't really bother me much, but when I get excited about something, I totally forget what the next I can see, like, yeah, there you go. ADD moment. Nice fail. I'm just gonna shut the fuck. That's a bit of a difference, but also you never know what you need to use. You always got to change it up on the fishies. Okay, no. I'm redoing that just because if you guys can see, it's wrapped around there, so it's wrapped around the tip of the rod. So I'm gonna fix that. Maybe we'll get better casting then too. I feel like that's a good setup. And yeah. I'm talking too much. I gotta get this done. But I'm trying to distract myself from being cold. I really hope I did this right. I'm like so cold I can't even focus on it. And I kind of have to pee. I gotta walk to the bathroom soon. It's been pretty chilly here. Probably gonna leave soon. It's my hands are numb basically. So yeah, I will hopefully go fishing again. Hopefully we catch something. Today's been a little quiet, which sucks. That's okay. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. I'm freezing. My nose feels like it's freezing. My hands are numb. So yeah. I'm gonna end this video off today. And we'll see you guys in a little bit, hopefully. Cheers, everyone. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.